Okay. What's going on, you guys? This is Dakota here, and we're back for another video. I don't know where Eli is. He's not in his chair. And he may be under the desk. I don't know. But, and right there! Hi. This is Eli Kane.
I'm gonna
and
consume
Dakota.
him now.
This is Eli and Dakota.
How's it going?
How's it going, you guys?
Move over. Alright.
This,
So we are back for another video.
yeah,
And today I think we're just gonna show you like small little handy trick tutorials.
yes.
So, you know what? Good, I guess we're gonna test a little bit of a life hack here.
Okay.
Alright. So,
He's gonna get that stuff, I
let me
guess.
find it here real quick. Okay.
The stapler.
Ever found one of these stuck? Alright. Life hack.
Life hack.
Who would ever thought you can fix a stapler with, hold on a minute, with a pencil. By the way, this stapler is actually stuck. So you're pretty much just going to take out the whole rack of staples. You're going to put that in there. And then right there you're going to see a spring. Alright? Right there is the spring. So then you're just going to put the pencil under the spring. Pull up. Snap back down. Grab this.
Bam.
And
It works. There's a little.
alright, so that's our life hack
fixer-oo.
for the day. Other than that, we're going to be back for some more videos, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See ya.